Okay, I went ahead and turned the power on, and I'll be looking at the pressures. You know, you can see that this one right here is gonna fluctuate a little bit, but it's gonna be going down. All right. What it'll try to do if there's no refrigerant in there is you know, a compressor on an air conditioning or refrigeration system is capable of pulling a 25-inch or vacuum that's equal to 25 inches of mercury. Alright, looks like it's settled out about 55, and it might even fluctuate some more. Okay, yeah, it's going to go up just a little bit. It's going to sit there and fluctuate back and forth. Now, that pressure rating right there is based on two things. How much refrigerant is in the system, the sealed refrigeration system, and also ambient temperature outside plus the temperature inside the house. Alright, it's going to go down now. When you first turn one on, it's going to really, it takes it a minute or a few minutes to settle out. Alright, yeah, it's still dropping. You know, you come in here and look at, if you hook these gauges up in the middle of August down here in Alabama, you can expect that reading right there to be somewhere between 65 and 70 probably. You got to be real careful on like adding refrigerant to a system according to what time of the year it is and what season. You know, it's pretty cool today, so kind of tricky to actually fill one up with refrigerant on a day like today, unless you know what's going on. Yeah, it's gonna settle out here in a minute, probably about 44 pound suction. That's not too bad. And discharge pressure, it's running about 130. And like I said, you can expect that to be a whole lot higher than that when the temperature outside goes up. Now you can see that little needle right there just barely fluctuating. It's kind of bouncing a little bit. The reason for that is because it's making high pressure liquid in the condenser, and that's the liquid going out. You know, a refrigeration system has got four basic components. It's got a condenser, a metering device, an evaporator, and a compressor. And it can take refrigerant and change the temperature of it, and also change it from a liquid to a vapor. Alright, this right here is going up now. That's because it's got enough, it's condensed enough vapor into a liquid, and it's sending high pressure liquid into the evaporator now. So we're going up a little bit. We're at about 53 right now. And that's going to be 55. That's going to be, you know, typical to, you know, what you can expect on a day like today. You know, the temperature outside is only probably about 70, if that much. Somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees. And I'm going to show you how to simulate a worst case scenario by blocking the condenser. All I'm going to do is turn this off, and you're going to see the difference here in just a second. I'm not going to add any refrigerant, no nothing. Alright, we're at 57 pound suction, and our head pressure, or discharge pressure, is about a little over 135. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and then I'll start another one after I get this condenser blocked.